I want to talk a little bit about the various areas that I focus on. So initially, let's talk about car crash litigation, or what it is a lawyer does for somebody involved in a car crash. Oftentimes I'll get a phone call from somebody who's been involved in a car wreck recently, in the last week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And they've had very minimal treatment, but they're still having problems. That's a situation where I'm happy to talk to the prospective client at no cost and to give them some free advice. Part of the process is ensuring that you, who probably have never been involved in a car wreck before, do a couple of things to protect your rights. If you don't seek medical attention in the hope that things will take care of themselves, that gives the insurance company an argument later. And that argument is, if you hurt so bad, why didn't you go see a doctor? That's a tough one, because juries, that resonates with juries. Same thing if you don't seek regular and consistent medical attention. So by that I mean, if you go and see a doctor, they set you up with a physical therapist, you do a couple of sessions of that, and then you completely cease interacting with all medical providers for 2 months, same argument is given to the insurance carrier, which is, what's the deal? You went months without seeing anybody, and then you started to go back. We have a hard time believing that your complaints were caused by this wreck. So getting the medical attention you need on a consistent basis, and in my view, through a doctor with whom you've already got a relationship, who knows what kind of medical condition you had before the wreck, is the preferable way to go about treating these things. In the event you come to me and you've already had medical treatment that's consisted of whatever, but you've been interacting frequently with medical providers for a couple months, sometimes less, depending on what you already know about your future, at that point it becomes a balancing test as to whether it's appropriate for you to hire a lawyer or not.